Alright, in this video we're going to have a look at how to create documents in Google Docs and how to put them in your special folder for this class. If you missed how to create a collection for this class, please stop this video and go ahead and look at that one first. Alright, so I'm once again in my apps and it takes us directly to our mail. Simply click on Documents and it'll take us to Google Docs. And please find your collection, which for the purpose of this demonstration was called Tom Wolfe, Writing 5540 SP12. I'm going to click on it, and this little arrow over here gives me an options, and I would like to find Create and create a document. Now immediately it will take me to that blank document. Please notice that the default title is Untitled Document. Click on it, and let's call this Tom Wolfe Document 1, although I give you specific instructions on how to title each of your assignments. Please follow those instructions, because if you don't, it'll be very difficult for me to determine what it is that you are submitting and how I should count it. So Tom Wolfe Document 1, just for the demonstration, you click on OK. If for any reason want to change the title, simply click on the title again and we can change something. And here we go. It's automatically saved. You don't need to do anything else about it. Now notice that over here the document is telling you that all changes have been saved, so whatever change you make to this document, as you can see, Google Docs will be saving it for you. There you have it. If it's still on saving, don't just quite quit the document. But to leave and you have several options. You can merely close the document, or you can click on Documents to take you back to Google Docs. Every time you do something like this, a new window will open though, so be aware of that. So now you actually have two different Google Docs documents open. It doesn't matter, everything will be saved wherever you want it to be saved. Alright, so going back to your menu. If you're still clicked on Tom Wolfe Writing 5540, here's your document, and you have now a document. If you click on that document, you will see different icons appearing over here. You have the options to share it, you have the option to organize it, you have the option to move it to trash, you have the option to simply preview the document without making any changes, and then you have a more icon that gives you other options. Alright, so for the moment, let's simply go to sharing. And as you can see, if you had shared your collection with me, it's possible that I will appear here, but if I don't, please type my name, which is alvaleri@georgia7.edu. Now, the share option gives you several different ways to share it. The default is that I can edit, and I would please ask you to leave every document that you submit to me that way. But let's say that you want to share with somebody else and you don't necessarily want them to make changes to your document. You can give them an option to comment on your document or to view your document. So you choose whatever level of collaboration you want to have with each of the documents you create. However, I would ask you once again if you would please allow me to edit, so that I can not only leave comments for you, but actually if I need to make a correction and show you how that correction is related to something that we're studying in class, if you allow me to edit, I can actually do that in the document, in the body of the document, as opposed to merely leaving a comment. So we'll leave it as it is, share and save, and then done. Now you will notice that this document will also appear in your home menu. If you're like me and you don't like your home menu to be crowded, you'll click on it and simply click on the More icon and then Don't Show in Home. Now, as I said in the last video, it's not lost. If you forget where you saved it, make sure that the search box is completely empty and simply type Tom Wolf, and then see all the documents that have these words in it will appear over here. Now notice that we don't have a spelling consistency here, so if I go back to the document, I can click on the title once again and correct it. Now here's another neat thing that you can do with a document. When you click on File, you can ask to see a revision history, and it will tell you the last time anybody made any revisions to your document and who it was. Okay, so close it, click on closing, and once again we find ourselves here, and because you just made changes to the document, oh no, it's not in home, so great, here it is, it's in your collection, and that is all.